Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to use fillet command in AutoCAD. To activate the fillet command, you can use the command fillet or you can use its alias F. Press enter. AutoCAD is asking you to specify the first object. So let's say I want a fillet between these two lines. So I'll select this as the first object and this as the second object. So when I click on the second object, you can see that nothing appeared here. That is because we haven't specified any fillet radius. To use the fillet command, you first have to specify the radius. So I'm first going to go to radius and specify the radius as, let's say, 2. Press enter. Now if I select this as the first object and this line as the second object, a fillet will be created. You can also activate the fillet command using this fillet icon in the modify panel. So let's create a fillet between these two lines. So I'll select this as the first line and this as the second line. And you'll see that another fillet of 2 unit radius has been created here. So whenever I use the fillet radius from now on, it will create a fillet of radius 2. If you want to change the fillet radius, activate the fillet command, go to radius and change it from 2 to, let's say, 1.5. Press enter. And now the fillet that will be created will have a radius of 1.5. Let's try this trim option. So it's asking whether you want to enter the trim mode option or not. Right now we are in the trim mode option. Let's select no trim and see what happens. Let's create a fillet between these two lines. So I'll select this as the first line and this as the second line. So you can see that a fillet has been created, but AutoCAD has also kept the corner of the rectangle as it is. So let's activate the fillet command again and set this trim mode back to trim. Let's try some of the other options. Click on this multiple. Let's create fillet between these two lines. So you can see after the fillet has been created, you're still in the fillet command. So you can create as many fillets as you want. To get out of the fillet command, press escape. Let's erase this rectangle and create a new rectangle here. Let's activate the fillet command again. And this time let's select the option of polyline. Press enter. Now if I move towards the boundary of this rectangle, you'll see that all the corners of the rectangles turned into a fillet. So polyline creates fillets at all the corners of the object. So click on this rectangle. Let's try this polyline option with the pentagon. So I've created a pentagon here. I'll go to the fillet command and I will select polyline from here. And when I click on this pentagon, all the corners of the pentagon turn into a fillet.